Welcome to Jodoo. Let's meet our CRM, a solution that helps you close deals, not just organize data. You can capture leads from multiple channels. Use different tags for each platform so you know exactly where your best prospects come from. When a customer clicks on the link and provides their contact information, a new task is automatically routed to the right team member. And the source of each lead is clearly marked. It's seamless and instant, ensuring no lead ever slips through. Have a clear, visual sales pipeline with lead statuses clearly marked. And adapt your visual pipeline to your proven sales methodology, not the other way around. Make it easier for your team to monitor leads and understand where every lead stands in the sales cycle. This means faster deal closures. Achieve predictable revenue growth. This makes it incredibly easy to monitor leads and understand where every lead stands in the sales cycle. Gain a complete 360-degree view of every customer. You can easily put all the contacts, deals, and communications in one place. And you can make personalized settings with ease. Identify growth opportunities within existing accounts. This means stronger and lasting customer relationships. Maximize customer lifetime value. Reduce churn and increase retention. Gain instant insights into sales performance. Understand customer behavior deeply. Track market trends effectively and eliminate guesswork from your strategy. This means informed decisions and measurable results. Optimize your operations. Stay ahead of the competition. Automate tedious, repetitive tasks. Update customer records automatically. Populate forms with natural language input. Your team can focus on building relationships. Close more deals, faster. This means increased productivity. Maximize human potential. Data transformation tool, advanced workflow engine, cross-app lookup, branded printing, e-signature, and visual insight. All in one, on this powerful, integrated workspace. Ready to transform your sales process? Contact our sales team today. Start now and unlock your full revenue potential.